What do you mean round 3?
This is round 3 of the tournament.
Oh. Okay, so getting right into it, it's Marth versus Peach on Battlefield. Battle.
I believe Too Much Doug actually was playing ice counters before. Interesting to see the white mark out of him. Or Trill absolutely kicking ass and wrecking house early in the tournament.
Wait.
Late stopping
Oh.
VHS player.
What? Oh yeah, it was VHS player.
That was VHS player, yeah.
As far as I can tell so far, Trill is a very competent Peach.
Trill is excellent.
But
and one of the only Peaches
knowing
so far, I believe.
TMD for a while, it's never a good idea just to count him out.
No, you cannot discount TMD. Cannot
But
discount Too Much Dog.
Trill
He's down to life right now.
yeah,
Trill,
taking the first stock with only taking like 50%.
that is more than he had the first round.
Ooh, what a nicely spaced forward smash.
We're seeing a very similar strategy out of Too Much Dog than we were in the last round with Ham. He did win against Wiggly. So we have a similar matchup here, although Trill has no such qualms about staying outside or inside a box. Being rather aggressive, throwing them turnips. Too Much Dog probably already back in that kill range. Ooh, just barely not being able to make the edge. Too Much Dog down 2 stocks to 4. Trill just about in that kill range. Too Much Dog means decent smashing to get that kill there.
Back throw.
So close.
No conversion off that.
He's just
no.
easy at the kill. Oh.
Trill is not letting him back on stage. So he is currently up 4 stocks to 1.
Oh man.
You always have to be wary of Peach's down smash.
It Trill 4 stocks Too Much Dog here. Just knowing him and how good of a match player he is.
Ooh. Up air, dash attack. Ooh. They clash.
Trill,
the up tilt taking it.
At least 1 kill off Too Much Dog. He is not winning this one.
Ooh. The forward throw.
Trill with the grab. Too Much Dog.
No, it's done.
Just cannot recover.
But at least it wasn't a JV 4 stock.
At least it was not a JV 4 stock. Oh, that would have been brutal. Trill takes game 1. We'll see if Too Much Dog changes to Ice Climbers or any other character. A little bit of discussion happening right here.
Oh, they're talking about stage bans. It's interesting. Oh, he does switch to Ice Climbers into Dreamland.
Similar stage with those little platforms there.
To a nice neutral start. The Ice Climbers already just... Oh. Chain grabs. Oh, no.
I'd say this is probably one of the most aggressive Peaches I've seen. Or should I say Daisy? Daisy Keller.
Wobbling time. And TMD gets him in a wobble. Trill just
trying as he might, cannot escape. Pausing it.
Pausing so he can kill himself because of the no pause rule. If you pause, you take a stock off.
Oh, okay.
He didn't want to suffer the fate of the wobble. But Nana being taken off just as Trill gets back.
Now it's a little bit more even.
Now I'm curious to see how TMD Sopo plays out.
TMD still ahead, high into that kill range. Can he recover from that?
No.
Oh, there it is. There's the kill. Ice Climbers return.
Back to an even stockage again, but nice down smash from Trill.
Already completely even in percent. Trill gonna do his best not to get caught in that again.
No, Trill's racking up damage very fast.
Yep. Ooh,
Dragging Nana off the stage, forcing him to use Sopo again. Which, Ice Climber by himself is not the best character.
With the duo, wobbling techniques like that, very deadly combination. Sorry, I'm just a little mesmerized. This is really cool.
This is cool.
very high level play here.
And oh,
North Dog's probably not going to live very long, just as Sofo there.
ooh, but he
Did
gets to recover.
though.
Oh,
He's probably not recovering from that.
no, it's all in the DI.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
He does recover, and he's back on solid ground.
but Peach's forward throw is very potent.
Yep. And we'll see if he can actually. Oh.
No Nana to help him. Sad. Can we get some Bible thumps in the chat?
How many viewers do we have? I can't see.
Trill has people cheering him on in the chat.
Oh my.
Oh, chain grab, no wobble.
Nana holds on.
It's fully possible to take this back with a wobble, but
Yeah.
like a good set of wobbles, but you must keep Nana on stage.
Trill,
Oh,
there it is.
it's over.
There's the wobble.
There's the wobble we all looked for.
Trill pauses to kill himself, but it's not necessary. He dies anyways. Trill
But
attempting just to kill
as fun as it is to wobble, wobbling, if they hit above 300, that is considered stalling.
I don't think you really need to get that high.
But it
Ooh.
getting that high with a wobble is mostly for the other player, because you can get them in a bad mindset if you wobble them. Oh
Wobble
no!
Doesn't last. Too much dog, very low percent. Anything is still possible right here.
Oh, Nana with the shield break. Oh,
Shield broken. Sofo stalling.
why is Nana taking so long to wake the fuck up?
Question. Both ice climbers awake and ready right now. Too much dog, gotta protect his mana here.
Yeah, she's his mana. That was bad.
There's no more wobbling. And Too much dog's on a glass stock here. Oop,
Ooh, ooh,
barely hanging on.
it's a wobble again.
Wobble. We may see it, the most clutch play ever here.
That was a very nice wave dash forward to grab from TMD. Ice climbers have the second longest wave dash, I believe. But if he gets that over 300, it is considered stalling.
There's the kill. No problemo. All right, Too much dog at 104%. Can he pull it off?
Don't.
Not calling it.
Oh, commentator's curse, I swear. Tragic.
Oh, but what a game. Amazing wobbles. I really have another bait.
Wait. Nick, you done with your match? You haven't even started? Okay, so on this TV it is Salt and Ams. Ams. Okay, Ams. Salt and Ams on this TV. No, but as from what I've heard from other people, she's a very, good Sheik.